ZWSoft. What do they offer? What applications do they provide? And what do they do? Let's talk about that next. Okay, ZWSoft. Let's talk about them. First off, they are a Chinese-owned company that then sells their applications around the world. And they have 5 applications that they offer. And let's go through them one by one. First off, you have ZWCAD, which has a lot of 2D functionality for sketching, drawings, manipulating those things. Pretty straightforward type of, but capable solution. Really meant to be an alternative or even replacement for Autodesk's AutoCAD offering. The next one is ZW3D. So this is actually a CAD CAM solution. It offers parametric modeling, 2D and 3D capabilities. It also offers machining functionality. So that includes, 2-axis all the way up to 5-axis and some turning stuff as well. After that, we have ZWSim. So today, it's really focused on electromagnetics, which, is certainly applicable to today's smart connected products. They're going to be releasing some structural analysis capabilities very soon. The next one is called CAD Pockets. And this is basically a 2D viewer. So you can bring up 2D drawings, you can look at them, you can kind of pan zoom around, you can interrogate a little bit, take measurements, things like that. And that actually is complemented by another application, the 5th one, called CAD Bro. This is their 3D viewer. So you can bring up a 3D model, you can spin it, pan zoom, you can take measurements, you can do markups and that type of thing as well. So those are the 5 applications. Now what's interesting about this is that they're all based essentially on within the same suite, right? So there's all sorts of interoperability between them. They're all integrated. And you can pass stuff back and forth between them. So what's the application here? So, if you're a smaller business and you're looking for kind of a rounded out set of capabilities here at a lower cost, then this is a good option for you to consider, along with some other ones. So that's it. That's ZWSoft. Take care and talk soon.